Guys, you can't go wrong with a Honda. And you definitely can't go wrong with this Honda 2018 Honda CR-V. 2 owners, Carfax certified, 0 accidents with the service records. I'll give you a slow pan around it. Above average new. It's got your backup camera, big alloyed wheels, technology package, touch to start, touch to unlock, sunroof, satellite radio, and it's just as clean on the inside as it is the outside, guys. And we've got it, Conover location. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem at the trading post. We can get you approved. Check out my website to apply, tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. Look how clean. It's got lane departure, collision avoidance. It's got your big screen, heated seats. Honda CR-V 2018 Conover location, 828-464-0600. Just wanted to hop on here and give you a high definition video so you could see how new it is. Trading Post, family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, easy financing. 18 CR-V, clean, new, Carfax certified, 34 miles per gallon. What are you waiting for? This is the one. 828-464-0600, tradingpostcars.com. Get it before it's gone.